Today, companies that make consumer products, including food and beverages, are faced with a changing landscape. The prolonged nature of the global pandemic has changed consumption patterns as people continue to work from home. This has accelerated the trend towards more healthy and organic choices, adding to pressures faced by manufacturers around food quality, ingredient labelling and transparency into supply chains that are ethical and sustainable. These changes represent an opportunity to define a new age of supply chain management, supported by process changes that boost agility and resilience. Working with AVEVA, manufacturers are making use of enabling technologies like IoT, cloud, artificial intelligence, and advanced visualization to transform their production operations and satisfy new demand. By synchronizing planning and scheduling with manufacturing execution capability, leading companies are improving agility and responsiveness to demand and supply volatility. Digital recipe management can help your business stay flexible in the face of changing consumer preferences and product mix changes. AVEVA's unique model-driven approach deploys standard execution processes across multiple sites. This cuts organizational complexity and total cost of ownership. Digital assets improve reliability and increase throughput and enable equipment vendors and partners to benefit from remote monitoring, smart analytics, and digital training. Using real-time data, continuous improvement teams can detect process deviations to minimize waste and boost sustainable outcomes through timely actions, as well as diagnose its root causes. Teams are empowered to solve problems through collaboration, knowledge sharing, and skills training. Digital end-to-end traceability, quality and safety information prevents low-quality products from reaching the consumer. So brand equity is preserved and regulatory standards are met. As a recognized leader in food and beverage manufacturing operations, we have won the trust of the top 25 food and beverage manufacturers. We're helping them to accelerate their transformation journey towards operational excellence and increased competitiveness. The strength and scope of our manufacturing solutions have been recognized by industry analysts, including Gartner, Frost & Sullivan and IDC. By improving operational efficiency and agility, AVEVA helps consumer products companies reduce costs, protect brand equity, maximize margins, and maintain a competitive edge in the marketplace.